everybody, and welcome back to Organized Joy. Today's episode is titled Lunches. Now, lunches are obviously what you take to work with you. And you're probably wondering how a topic like lunches can make you a little bit more organized. Well, I have 3 reasons how it can make you organized. Number 1, if you plan out your lunches on a Sunday before the week, so you prepare everything on that Sunday, you pack it all, you make it all, you put it into little Tupperwares, put it into the fridge, you're done and you sort it. I'm pretty sure it won't take you more than an hour and a half on a Sunday. And once you're done, you know it's all there ready for you to just take. Each night you pop in whatever it is, you pop into your bag, and the next day off you go. The second reason, very big reason, is if you don't prepare, often you look in the fridge, you don't know what you want, and you end up taking nothing. That means when you get to work, you have to buy yourself something. Now, when you go out and buy yourself something, generally you end up spending way more than what you want. And you never really eat what you wanted to eat. Which leads me to the third reason you should do it. Because if you are going out to buy, I can promise you it is not healthy. Well, it's not a healthy option. And people tell me, oh no, but I go here and I get this and this and this. You don't know how they're making it. And I promise you it's detrimental to your waistline, not just your budget. Now those are my 3 reasons why I go on a Sunday, I book myself some time, and I make all my lunches. So the way to go about this is, I've done list number 24 for you. It's a food calendar. Go and download it from my website, organizedjoy.co.za, in the downloads or my list section. That gives you a food calendar. You can map out your lunches for every day. Then go to my list number 8. It's a shopping list. Once you know what you're eating, you can make a shopping list. Pick a Saturday or a Sunday and go out and get everything you need. Then all you have to do is book yourself an hour and a half on a Sunday. Sometimes I do it on a Sunday morning, sometimes I do it in a Sunday evening. It just depends what's happening on the day, but I get it all done. I pop it into Tupperwares and I put it into the fridge for Andy and for I, and I'm done for the week. Literally every evening I go home, I take out all my stuff, put it into my tote bag, and I pull out his in the morning and put it out for him on the counter. It's as easy as that. I'm pretty sure that'll make you more organized. A way to do it all on a Sunday, I've got 2 episodes I've made for you that you can go and watch to see how easy it is. One is called Eating Well, and one is Easy Meals that I take to work. I will link them both below. So, what is linked below for you is that list number 24 for a food calendar, list number 8 for a shopping list. There is a link to a Pinterest board which is called Food Fit, which will give you lots of inspiration. And then there are the 2 episodes, 1 Eating Well and 2 Easy Meals to take to work. So those are 5 links that will go and help you to be more organized with your lunches. Thanks very much for joining me at Organized Joy, organizing your lunches from A to Z.